Hello friends, today we'll be discussing on a very important topic, the importance of sacrifice in spiritual life. In the chapter 3 of Bhagavad Gita, 10th shloka, Karma Yoga, Krishna is telling, Saha yagya praja srishtva purovacha prajapatihi anena prashavishadhvam esha vostvi ishtakamadhuk. In the beginning of the creation, the Lord of all creatures sent forth generations of men and the devatas or gods along with the sacrifice for Vishnu and blessed them by saying, Be thou happy by this yajna sacrifice, because its performance will bestow upon you all desirable things. So whenever the creation was there and the host of the gods and the humans were there in this world, a blessing was given that all of you be happy by the principle of sacrifice. Now when we hear the question, a lot of questions come to the young mind. According to today's modern education, and I being a doctor, professor and head of the department, I got the All India highest score in CBSE biology and was studying the Darwinian theory in details, and I had got some questions. It is said that there was a big bang and there was creation, and slowly the planets cooled down, and then was some protoplasmic movement in the hot broth or soup, and a pseudopodia came out and it started moving, and the amphibian slowly started moving towards the land. And then the amphibian became a terrestrial, and slowly it started moving in the land, and slowly there was evolution and survival of the fittest, and slowly by evolution the different species came up. Now my dear friends, if you type in the Google Darwinian's theory, there are so many surprises you will get, whether it is truth or whether it is a hoax. Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita, Aham sarvasva prabhavo matta sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha. He says that all the species were simultaneously created at the time of birth. Now you all tell me, when there is an explosion, there is creation or destruction? Of course, destruction. And here it is said that an atom of infinite density, zero entropy, burst into the sky, and there was a big bang and the planets came up. Is this a big bang theory or a big bluff theory? Nothing of this sort happened, right? And if we read the scriptures, a clear-cut explanation of how the universe came into being is mentioned very clearly. Now Darwin had a strange habit, and in his letter to his best friend Wallace, he said that whatever I am doing is based on assumptions and I really don't know whether it is true. The thing is that at night he would sit with his table lamp on and do the match the column. So what is he going to match? So he was matching the different species, and he said that the cat has a hair around the nose and the tiger has the hair around the nose. So the tiger has come from cat. And if you carefully study the survival of the fittest and Darwinian theory of evolution, my God, you'll get goosebumps. Now, do you know why the giraffe's neck is so long? So the giraffe was eating the grass below, and as it was eating the grass, the leaves and the grass in the lower region started finishing up, and it started looking up, and as it was going up, and the leaves on the lower side were finishing, and by natural selection it was looking up and eating the upper leaves. Slowly the neck of the giraffe became so long and tall. Wow, what a theory! Similarly, a bear was eating fishes while swimming, and there was a constant flow of fishes in the mouth of the bear. And as more and more water and fish were entering, and the mouth was becoming bigger, the more the fish, the bigger the mouth, the fish, the mouth, the fish, the mouth, and finally the bear became a blue whale. Oh my God, it's interesting. That means suppose I like a sweet in a sweet shop, I should just put my hand ahead and should desire, let my hand go to the sweet, and slowly my hand will move towards the sweet shop. Survival of the fittest. My dear friends, the choice is yours. Whether you believe in these man-made concepts which no one has verified, or you believe in the words of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So, very rightly here, what is said? That Lord said that do sacrifice by which all of you will be happy. And whenever there is the yajna, whether it is the actual yajna in which the oblations are poured on the fire, which is the mouth of Vishnu, it directly goes to the God. Or it is the Harinam Sankirtan Yajna in Kali Yuga. This is the way by which the humans can satisfy God, and God also indeed give blessings to the humans, and by this mutual cooperation they are happily staying in this world and have a beautiful destination in their next lives. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary, your ancient Indian Vedic ambassador. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel right now and download my app. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna